Have you considered texting from your landline? Top brands use our text-to-landline service, and you can too. This service allows customers to send texts to your landline, enhancing communication and ensuring you never miss a message. Setting up landline texting is easy. Enter your landline number into SimpleTexting. We'll quickly verify your ownership. In minutes, your number will be text-enabled. You can then send your first message. Whether for sales or customer service inquiries, texting meets both your and your customers' needs. Manage replies from your desktop or mobile app for on-the-go communication, ensuring prompt responses to keep customers engaged. Why utilize text-to-landline? Messages sent to non-text-enabled landlines go unanswered, leading to missed opportunities. This service ensures all messages reach you through a centralized dashboard. To enable text messaging, enter your landline number on our SMS platform for verification and activation. Voice and text functions operate independently, so your voice service remains intact. Statistics show 80% of consumers prefer texting for engagement. Landline texting allows 45% of customers to appreciate two-way conversations. Businesses recognize the need for efficient text communication, with 61% willing to boost text marketing budgets. Without text-to-landline, potential customers may feel frustrated when they receive no reply. This service creates a manageable inbox for timely responses. Fast response times enhance trust and higher conversion rates. Our service allows businesses to engage instantly without relying solely on calls. Thousands of businesses thrive with our solution. Choose SimpleTexting for tools to grow your brand and connect with customers. Features like group texting, multiple number assignments, smart inbox management, and custom templates streamline communication. Share multimedia content or schedule future messages effortlessly. Who benefits from this service? Franchises, restaurants, e-commerce shops, healthcare, schools, real estate, home service companies, non-profits, and marketing agencies can enhance operations through landline texting. Texting from a landline is easy. Your landline supports voice calls and texts, keeping you connected to customers. Setting up is straightforward. Provide your information, and within 2 weeks, experience responsive communication via our user-friendly platform. Text-to-landline services boost engagement, meet customer demands, and help your messages reach audiences. Integrating SMS with marketing strategies improves outreach and automates processes, minimizing spam risks. To answer common questions, yes, customers can text your enabled landline. Without activation, texts won't deliver. You can receive texts for free, some providers charge only for outgoing messages. Try SimpleTexting's text-to-landline service with our free 14-day trial, no credit card needed. If satisfied, upgrade risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. Don't miss this vital communication tool.